What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today I got an unboxing of the Apple iPhone XR. So I got a different color this time. As you guys know, I had the XR in the white color, but this time around, picked it up in the 128, and I got it in the black color. So got a great deal on it. Ended up picking it up. So just kind of introducing this to the channel. You see the white one's gone, then the black one's here. So one of the main reasons I picked up the black one, my white one was only 64 gigabytes, and I wanted something with a little bit more storage to it, so I picked up the black one. So here's the box, as you can see. Same thing as the white one and the red one and the yellow one. So here's the content. You get your introductory hello, you get your SIM card ejection tool, and you get some Apple stickers. And also you get the device. So I went with the black. I was thinking about the red one. Then I said, nah, I want to go with the black one this time. And then you get your, your earbuds, your charging cable, and your slow charger there. And that's pretty much all you get in the box. You guys have probably seen this all over way back when this first came out. But I want to give you guys a look at the one I picked up, do my own unboxing of the black one. So here's the device. Let's get this off. Always the most exciting part of unboxings. So here it is. So it's sleek. I really like this black color too, man. I think it's going to be a fingerprint magnet though. As you can see, you do have your Apple logo there, iPhone down at the bottom. This side, you got your power button, SIM tray. Then at the bottom, you got your speaker, microphone, charging port. And then this side, you got your mute switch, your volume up and down. So on the back, you got your camera, your flash, and a microphone. And then the front, you got your earpiece and your camera there. Let's get it powered up. Check it out. So there's the boot up. I'll go ahead and drop my information in. Check to see how much storage right out the box. And pretty much that'll be it on this unboxing. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I picked up the black one, got rid of the clean white one. And this black one looks good, man. I like it. So let me drop my information in. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I have my information in the device. And this is how it looks straight out once you get past all the initial information there. So the wallpaper that they have is a dark color wallpaper, so you can't see the bezels as much on it here. But this is everything that comes on it right here. Not a lot of bloatware that I can tell. Just, well, maybe some Apple stuff there. But yeah, man, very sleek. Really do like the black one. I didn't wipe it down, so you can see it's definitely catching some fingerprints. So let's go in and see how much storage out the box you get here. So I got the 128 gigabyte. So you can see 11.6 gigabytes are being used out the box. So not bad at all. So yeah, guys, just wanted to introduce the black one since I got rid of my clean white one to my channel. So if you see this going forward on some videos, then that's the reason why I got for more storage. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.